Hi there guys, Maelstromer's here again. We've released a new feature to Satisfactory Factories called Game Sync. The intention of this feature is to enable you to understand when you need to take action in-game. A big problem I've found with using my own planner is that I make the plan and then suddenly the changes I've made to the plan I've either forgotten or neglected to do the actual requirements to change them in-game. So my plan would be constantly falling out of sync with reality. So what I've developed is a very simple feature that hopefully many people will understand and benefit from, which is marking your factories as set in stone, effectively, or built, just by clicking this button here. So this is my old processing factory. Let's imagine that I've gone into the game and actually physically built this. I've got 31 oil refineries now built and doing the thing. Then suddenly something comes in and changes the requirements for this. So let's go to our computers. Let's mark that as in sync. And what I'm going to show you is editing this. So I'm now suddenly going to increase this by double. So now we're now out of sync. We now have a lot of imports we need to correct, and let's just very quickly change those. So I need to now go into game and create 8 extra manufacturers to satisfy this new demand. So I've gone and done that. Let's think that we've done that. Mark it as in sync. Now, what's now changed is we've increased the plastic cables on circuit boards. So let's go to oil processing now. You'll notice that technically we're still in sync at the moment, and I'll tell you why. Exports now has a shortage because computers is doubling its demand effectively. So now, as soon as we press this button, we're out of sync. Reason being is that we've increased the demands and also the buildings required to create plastic. So we now need to then go into game and scale this physically in the game and to satisfy the new demand. Now that you've done that, you can then press in sync. And you'll notice through a variety of doing this, layer by layer, it prompts the user to actually take action and fix things. Whereas before you didn't really understand what was in sync with actual reality. So now we go to circuit boards. Again, we can now fix the production. And you can see here how this is benefiting us. If I mark this is in sync again, we're having to then go and scale copper sheets and plastic again. Plastic is again out of sync, so therefore we need to fix the production. And you can sort of see how if you didn't have this, you would be constantly trying to resync everything in the planner to reality. And many people have complained that it's hard to manage. So hopefully this helps manage it.